Hello dear students, welcome back to your English grammar lesson. I'm Jason ma'am and I hope you have completed exercises A, B and C which are on pages 36 and 37 and you have learned all the plural forms of the nouns given in your lesson. In this class we are going to learn how to change singular sentences into their plural forms. Besides nouns, there are other words such as articles, auxiliary verbs, demonstrative words, and personal pronouns that are in a sentence. As you all know, an article is an adjective. It is used before a noun to define it as specific or unspecific and to quantify it. There are three articles. They are a and the. A and an are indefinite articles because they refer to general or unspecific nouns. The article a is used before nouns with a consonant sound. Examples: a ball, a cat, a dog, etc. The article an is used before nouns with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an orange, an octopus, etc. The is the definite article because it refers to particular or specific nouns. Examples: the cat, the black cat, the brave boy, the Taj Mahal, etc. Please note that an indefinite article does not change into definite article in the plural form. I have often seen students making this mistake, changing a dog into the dogs in the plural form, which is incorrect. A dog changes into dogs, a cat changes into cats, an elephant changes into elephants. However, the cat changes to the cats in the plural form. Words like is, are, am, has, have are called auxiliary or helping verbs. An auxiliary or helping verb is a verb that adds functional and grammatical meaning to a sentence. It usually accompanies a main verb. Example: the child is sleeping. Is the auxiliary verb, sleeping is the main verb. There are 23 auxiliary verbs. They are being, am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. Verbs showing possession such as has, have, had. Verbs showing action such as do, does, did, will, would, shall, should. There are more auxiliary verbs such as may, might, must, can, could. Here you must remember some auxiliary verbs change in their plural forms but some remain the same. Demonstrative words such as this, that, these and those are used for showing or pointing specific things. They may be demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative pronouns depending on their position in a sentence. To demonstrate means to point or to show. We also have personal pronouns in a sentence such as I, me, he, she. Personal pronouns are pronouns that are used to refer to people. However, they are also used for animals, places, or things. In the first person we have I, me, we, us. In the second person we have you. In the third person we have he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Here is a list of words in singular with their plural forms: a and an, does not have plural forms. However, the plural of the is the. The plural of am is are. Is changes to are in the plural form. Was to were, has to have, this to these, that to those, I to we, me to us. However, the plural of you is you. He changes to they, him to them, she to they, her to them. In the same way, it changes to they and them. Here is an exercise that will show you how these rules are applied in a sentence. Let us read the question together. Change these sentences from singular to plural forms. Number 1. There is a policeman in the street. The sentence has changed to there are policemen in the streets. Clearly, is has changed to are. A policeman has changed to policemen. The street has changed to the streets. So here we have there are policemen in the streets. Number 2. He is my child. The sentence in the plural form is they are our children. He has changed to they, is to are, my to our, child to children. Number 3. The cat is under the table. The plural of this sentence is the cats are under the tables. The cat has changed to the cats, is to are, the table into the tables. Number 4. That is a tall tree. The plural of that is those, is are, a tall tree, two tall trees. So those are tall trees. Number 5. Where is my book? The sentence now reads, where are our books? Is has turned to are, my into our, book into books. Number 6. Where do you live? The plural of where do you live is where do you live? The only change here should have been you, but we know the plural of you is you. So the sentence remains the same as where do you live, whether it is in the singular or plural form. Number 7. This house belonged to him. The plural form of this sentence is these houses belonged to them. This has changed to these, house to houses, him to them. Number 8. She broke the cup. She has changed to they, the cup into the cups. Number 9. I saw a man and a woman carrying a box. The plural of this sentence is we saw men and women carrying boxes. A man has changed to men. A woman has changed to women. A box has changed to boxes. Number 10. I saw a fish, a deer, and a sheep in the zoo. Here we have the new sentence that reads as we saw fish, deer, and sheep in the zoos. I has changed to we, a fish into fish, a deer into deer, a sheep into sheep, the zoo into the zoos. Notice the absence of the article a, even though the noun is the same in both singular and plural form of fish, deer, and sheep. I would like to give you a homework on exercises D and E, which are on pages 37 and 38. Exercise D, you can do it directly in the textbook. But exercise E needs to be done in the exercise copy. Please do it with good handwriting and correct spellings. I hope this lesson is clear to you. Till next class, bye bye and take care.